Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to lay the first few rows of flooring. This is the engineer flooring and I will glue it on a groove. It's floating floor. First of all, for best result you have to do nice level. So this was Friday, now it's Monday. When the floor, subfloor leveled, you have few benefits. First of all, easy to install. Second one, when you install the floor, you can't feel when floor is breathing. It's lay very solid on a subfloor. Also, after a few years, you can't hear any sound when you walk over the floor. So this is in this apartment I installed two rooms, this room and master bedroom, but hallway and living room with existing floor was very squeaky, because the guys who did this installation, they didn't make any leveling. Maybe before, I don't know how long is this floor already. No anyone think about it, but leveling, it's really important. Okay, anyway, so first what I did, I lay underlay, then I put first two rows. So this so I set up in the master bedroom, because this room is really small, like a little bit over than 100 square feet, no space for work. So, and now I'm gluing together two boards. I put special glue, it's called tone and groove glue, in a groove, and then I put these two rows together. Very important. I don't know how the other guys doing, just I am explaining what my experience. I always tape this floor with 3M tape. I bought this tape in Home Depot. For sure, you spend more money when buying this tape and gluing this board together, but you will get a result, good result, because between the boards you can't see any gaps. This tape is straight, and when you install this tape over this board, it's put board very tight together. This is a very important things. So now what I'm doing, I leave the gap around all perimeter. You see, from these three sides, gap should be around 1/4 inch. So I'm using for laminate floor spacers, and all spacers I tape it to the baseboard. Sometimes if you don't have baseboard, anyway you have to leave a gap, 1/4 inch gap, and then install baseboard over. In this situation we already have a baseboards, so when I finish floor, I install shoe bases. It's a small little base, it's cover all these gaps. Also, if you new with this type of installation, you have to follow two things. First of all, you have to use a right glue, tone and groove glue. If you will use a regular glue, wood glue, regular glue is more solid, and when it's glue boards together, after that you will hearing how whole floor is cracking. But tone and groove glue is really flexible. It's specially for this type of installation. In other sense, when you glue in boards, be very with attention to glue each board. Sometimes if you're not gluing the board, it can be separated. So it was my mistakes before when I start work with hardwood flooring. When you finish part of installation of this floor, always put boxes on top of this floor. I'm putting boxes with diagonal. It covers more space. Why you need to put boards? Because when you glue in the floor and we have underlay, board can be looks like a little bit wavy. When this glue will dry, all surfaces will be nice and flat, because boxes push it down and make it very flat surface. I hope these tips and tricks will be valuable for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you in next video.